Hi, my name is Maria Teresa, and today I'm coming at you from the heart of Paris. We've got something extraordinary, and it's not just an unboxing, it's a journey and a touch of Parisian flair. Right here on this oh so chic box is my very first Hermes Birkin 25. But hold on, this isn't your average I went shopping story. It's a roller coaster of emotions, dreams, and a little bit of drama. Picture this, just a month ago, I was robbed. Yes, you heard it right. All my bags, my precious Hermes collection, gone in a flash. It felt like the universe played a cruel joke on me. But as fate would have it, life had a plot twist in store. From the ashes of that misfortune rose an opportunity to own my dream bag, the Birkin 25, from the legendary Rue du Faubourg Saint-Honoré store in Paris. Talk about a fashion phoenix moment. Right before I was about to fly back to the States, I got a call that I have been waiting for a long time. They basically gave me a very special appointment to get a handbag. For me, honestly, this was a sign from the universe trying to tell me that, sometimes in life, a door closes and you lose something, but it's because the universe has something greater in place for you than you ever imagined. If you saw my previous videos, you know that my suitcase got stolen, and in it there were Hermes bags, there were Chanel bags. I literally lost all my handbags. I was gutted because it took some time and a lot of effort and a lot of love for me to build my little collection. So let me walk you through my whole experience. I would have loved to film for you because this appointment was in the Hermes store in Paris, their mother store, their flagship store, where actually it all began. For me, I have been wanting to get an Hermes bag in Paris for as long as I can remember. So the night before the appointment, I was a nervous wreck, because you need to be super prepared when you go into an appointment. You need to know what you're gonna ask for, you need to know the colors, you need to know the leathers, you need to be very specific on the hardware and the stitching, on everything. I was so nervous that I was going to forget something or that I was going to mess up. Like, I did not want to at all jeopardize and blow my chances of getting something that I truly love. So the night before, I'm sitting down in this couch with Gabby. She made me a beautiful fire. We did cozy, cups of teas, and we sat down and we dove deep into looking at all the colors that are in production for Hermes at the moment, in what leathers, in what, if it's Cellier, or if it's Retourné, if it's a Birkin, or if it's a Kelly, or if it's a mini Kelly. And I made a list and I put it on my notes on my phone. It's not always guaranteed that they're going to let you bring in someone with you. It's your name on the list, you are going in, and I was terrified that I was gonna have to go in alone. I really wanted, to be able to bring Gabby with me to the appointment, just because, if I forgot something, she would be able to remind me. Plus, it's just so much more fun when you can choose something and you can bounce the idea and run it with your friends. Don't you agree? We go to sleep, have a nice cozy breakfast. My appointment was around 2 p.m. We got there super early. We walk in, and you guys, this store is beautiful. As soon as you walk in, you see all the bags, all the new bags, the new colors of the season, I would say. You see these bags displayed in glass vitrines. I would have loved to film it, but you're not allowed to film, but they allowed me to take some pictures, which I will insert here on the screen so you guys can see the different colors that you probably have read about online, but you don't really know what it looks like in person. In these cases, you have the bag and you also have the price displayed next to it, which is super helpful because sometimes you want something and in the internet, you don't really find accurate pricing. They were very reserved, but they were very welcoming and very elegant. Honestly, such a beautiful experience. So we go to the check-in desk. I give my name and I say that I have an appointment. They asked me with who. I said the name of my lovely SA. He said, okay, wonderful, just sit right here. They kind of moved us to the side in this beautiful area where you have handbags and saddles, and the decoration is just beautiful. And you have everything. You have twillies, you have blankets. So they said, just wait here and we are going to come get you. We sat down there for about 10 minutes. That seemed and felt eternal. Eternal. Because we were sitting down there and we were, you know, you can actually just walk around and look at the things. Basically, that's what we did. We looked at the different colors, at the different textures, at the different leathers, the different stitching, the different bags. If you ever have the chance to come to Paris, you should really visit the Hermes store because it's just so exquisite. And you don't need an appointment to visit the store. If you just go there early, you'll be able to get in. And they are very nice. Just make sure that, you know, you're polite, that you're dressed nice, and you can go in and you can like see their shoes, the twillies, you can look at the bags. You can't touch, but you know, you're able to see. Only thing you need an appointment for is for when you're actually going to buy a handbag. The store is huge. It has 3 floors, and on the top it has a garden. This garden is not like anybody can go in there. You have to actually be taken up there, and I know that it's like super exclusive. We're basically sitting down waiting, and our lovely essay arrives. He took us. There's like this set of stairs that take you to an area that you can only go when, I guess, you're getting a bag. It was beautiful. So first we go up these gorgeous like spiraled like marble stairs with the most beautiful decorations on the walls. Once we get to this floor with everything is red velvet, and you look around and you have like displays of Hermes' most beautiful and precious jewelry. They basically walked us to our private room. Basically, he sits down and we talk a little bit and we catch up. And then he asked me, he's like, okay, so what are you looking for? So I'm like, okay, well, you know, my preference is I want a 25 Birkin Cellier because I love the structure that Cellier gives to a bag. The retourné is more relaxed and it's beautiful, but I wanted, you know, I love that structure. And he's like, what's your second choice? I tell him my second choice, and he's like, okay, I will be right back. And I said, wait, but I have more on my list. Should I not tell them to you? And he's like, I have something very special for you. I'll be right back. He gets up and he leaves the room. I stayed in there with Gabby. I was very happy, but I was very nervous at the same time. After 10 minutes, he comes back. I promise you, those 10 minutes felt like he was gone for hours. He comes in his natural, just poised, very relaxed, very happy, sits down. And he looks at us and he's like, I have something very special for you. Takes out the bag and shows me the color of this bag. The moment he puts that bag down, I'm looking at it and I could not believe my eyes. And this bag is in the size that I want, a Birkin 25, and it's Cellier. He tells me, this right here is the structure and the size you want. And this is a very special color that is very rarely offered to someone. So now I am going to show you what the bag looks like. I want to tell you that we did add some special touch on the handles. We chose twillies in my favorite color, which you guys know what it is. What's my favorite color? You know my favorite color is baby blue. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you Le Sac. That is so beautiful. This is a Birkin 25 in Epson leather with palladium hardware. In the color Gris Pale or Pale Gray. This is a lighter Hermes gray color of 2023. This pale shade of gray looks like a wisp of smoke. And you can see that the twillies are in this beautiful baby blue, but it also has hues of a darker blue. To be honest, at the beginning, I was a little bit apprehensive because I am a person that I use my bags over and over and over every day, and I didn't want to, you know, get a bag that is so light, dirty. But that's where the twillies come in. What I love about this bag is that I'm going to be able to match it with all the colors. It's such a neutral and beautiful color. I can't tell you how happy I am about it. Tell me what you think. So here's to the tough times that make the good times sweeter. To dreams that come alive despite the odds. Thank you so much for being part of this unforgettable moment with me. Stay fabulous, embrace life's surprises, and keep chasing those dreams. Until next time, sending you all the love. Bye.